Hey guys, this is Robert with RC1 Hobbies. I just got this from Hobbytown, USA. It just came in this week. The Traxxas Rustler VXL. It's got a new low price and we're going to talk about why. Alright, they just came out with some new graphics on this Rustler VXL. I like it. I recently bought the brushed version. Let me get that for you. And we can compare them right there. I like the graphics, the new graphics they've come out with. They're quite attractive and fun looking. I bought this one and shot a video on this earlier, talking about why it was a good deal. And the graphics are really cool. Now these have some different graphic markings and we're going to find out how good it looks out of the box soon. Again, we're going to talk about the new low price. On this, I believe it is $249 or $259. I have to double check. It is a VXL with the Pinion Extreme Brushless Power System, the 3500 kV brushless motor with the VXL 3S speed controller. Also, the Traxxas Stability Management System is on all the Traxxas brushless models. So one of the things that were really attractive to me that I spoke about in previous videos is this right here. Battery and charger not included. So that's extremely attractive to me because it's a brushless system. I'm not going to be running a nickel metal hydride battery that they give you or using their DC charger that comes with it. I have my own battery charger and my own batteries. So this is very attractive for me because of not paying for something I do not need. The battery and the battery charger. So that's really good. So let's get to opening this box and seeing what is inside. Here we have the TQI, the top qualifier with Bluetooth capability enabled. So that's a plus. Alright, let's see what's in the bag. The obvious things that are not in the bag is what we don't want. No battery, no battery charger, the standard high-speed pinion gear, and new no gear mesh guessing gear mesh. But you can put this in your motor mount to put your motor in a position to mesh the gear properly when you're changing gears. Standard par for the course, the Traxxas Allen wrenches, and wheel hub tool, four-way lug tool. Preload spacers for your shocks. Vinyl discs. Body pins. Extra screws. And servo adapters. Stickers for your truck. More cool stickers for your truck. Upsell accessories for your truck. Aluminum parts. ESC fan. Wheelie bar. Steering block. Turnbuckles. Your TQI performance guide with your Bluetooth enabled. Your upsell for your battery chargers. Don't need that. Make sure you register your product online via Traxxas.com. And while we have that out, right here is when you register, you're going to need the serial number of your car, your receipt to show what store you bought it from, the address of your store, the date, so forth, of the store where you bought it from. Your new Rustler VXL Traxxas Quick Start Guide. There you go. And here's your two Rustler brushed VXL. I'll shoot a video on the comparisons at a later date. Let's look at what comes with the VXL. Everything looks the same at first glance. You got your Pinion brushless motor, your VXL 3S ESC with capacitors, Traxxas plug. Everything looks the same. The black chrome, composite shocks. So everything looks the same as normal with the old VXL. No upgrades here, just the new graphics body, which looks pretty slick. Nice looking truck. So there you go. You get your own 2S, 3S, or 7-cell nickel metal hydride, and you'll be pulling wheelies in no time with this fast, very fast VXL Traxxas Rustler. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching the Rustler VXL unboxing. Till next time, we'll see you.